What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Pretty uneventful the past few days. I'm in the process of e-tuning with ambot tuning. So I've been on the base map. I just got my first revision. I have to go do a wide open throttle pull, send that to him and let him get me another revision. So like I said, it's really uneventful. I hadn't been able to do any. I know some of you guys want to see like some 0 to 60s and some like 0 to 100s and stuff like that, or 60 to 100s. But like I said, with the base map, I can't go wide open throttle. I can't really like beat on it too much. Anything over like negative 3.5 boost or PSI, I get like a lot of knock, like 3 to 4. And damn, is it hot! It's a South Georgia day. Good old South. Already drives a lot better, honestly. Like stock, it wasn't too impressive. Cobb, just the Cobb base stage 1 tune was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, the Cobb stage 1 tune was good. I enjoyed it, but it's not what I wanted. The ambot base map drives so smooth. Like, even though I can't go wide open throttle, I can't really like go crazy on the car. It drives good. Like, even just the base map, it's not nothing serious. It's not nothing impressive, but it was 2 or 3 times better than the Cobb stage 1. We're gonna come out here and do this WOT log, send this in, and hopefully we might can get another revision in today. I'm gonna go a little bit further than I normally do to do my WOT log, because like I said, it's so hot right now. I'm heat soaking right now, so I'm gonna drive a little while. When I get on the open road, let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll do the wide open. Usually this road's pretty empty, but I guess today it's not. All right, here we go. You have to like try to watch everything. Like, you have to watch your boost, make sure it's not going over where it needs to be. You gotta watch your dam, your knocking, like all kind of stuff you have to watch. So there's a lot going on. And you gotta watch RPMs. But man, that was a pretty tells me that my car is all right to go. I'll definitely get you guys those 0 to 60s and those 60s to 100s and stuff like that you want to see. So just be patient with me. It's just, I'm having to wait too, man. I'm dying to like drive my car normal, but with the base map I can't. So now we got this map. I think I can drive it normal now. We're gonna see how it performs. So that's about it for the day, guys. So appreciate you guys watching as always, and I'll catch you in the next